sang began to fold. Ran 6 little kittens jumping in the pool, a playful children's rhyme. 6 little kittens jumping in the pool, splish, splash, splosh, breaking every rule. Their whiskers wiggle, their tails curl tight. They're ready for a day of awesome delight. The first little kitten named Silky Sue jumped right in with a happy mew. She paddled around like a furry fish. Swimming was her favorite wish. The second kitten, Tiger Stripe, leaped with a bounce full of kitten hype. He made a splash that reached the grass, a splash so big it soaked the glass. The third little kitten, Buttercup Bright, did a tiny hop from a tiny height. Her patter paws went flip flop cool. She giggled, I love this pool. The fourth kitten, Whisker McGray, said, wait for me, I want to play. She slid down slowly like a careful rule, then whoosh, fell in and felt so cool. The fifth little kitten, Daisy Dot, did a twisty jump, a curly trot. She zoomed around like a speedy tool, a fuzzy rocket in the pool. The sixth little kitten, Inky Black, took one deep breath, then stepped right back. He peeked in once, then with a dive, splash, he joined the watery hive. They splashed together, side by side, creating waves both far and wide, chasing bubbles, counting stars, pretending they were swimming cars. They kicked their feet in a kitten line, looking silly and perfectly fine. Their meows mixed in with giggles cool. 6 little kittens in a sparkling pool. But soon the sun began to fade, and shadows from the trees were made. They shook their fur, soft as wool, and waved goodbye to the playful pool. Home they went with happy purrs, dripping water from their fur. They curled up cozy, nice and cool, dreaming of tomorrow's splashy pool. Ah, 6 little kittens jumping in the pool, a playful children's rhyme. 6 little kittens jumping in the pool, splish, splash, splosh, breaking every rule. Their whiskers wiggle, their tails curl tight. They're ready for a day of awesome delight. The first little kitten named Silky Sue jumped right in with a happy mew. She paddled around like a furry fish. Swimming was her favorite wish. The second kitten, Tiger Stripe, leaped with a bounce full of kitten hype. He made a splash that reached the grass, a splash so big it soaked the glass. The third little kitten, Buttercup Bright, did a tiny hop from a tiny height. Her pitter-patter paws went clip-clop cool. She giggled, I love this pool. The fourth kitten, Whisker McGray, said, wait for me, I want to play. He slid down slowly like a careful rule, then whoosh, fell in and felt so cool. The fifth little kitten, Daisy Dot, did a twisty jump, a curly trot. She zoomed around like a speedy tool, a fuzzy rocket in the pool. The sixth little kitten, Inky Black, took one deep breath, then stepped right back. He peeked in once, little kittens in a sparkling pool. But soon the sun began to fade, and shadows from the trees were made. They shook their fur, soft as wool, and waved goodbye to the playful pool. Home they went with happy purrs, dripping water from their fur. They curled up cozy, night and cool, dreaming of tomorrow's splashy pool. As Santa's sign began to fold, ran six little kittens jumping in the pool, a playful children's rhyme. Six little kittens jumping in the pool, splish, splash, splosh, breaking every rule. Their whistles